Here are 5 Facebook marketing tips that are still highly effective despite all the recent developments. 1. Vary the types of content you post. To keep your content marketing dynamic, the first of our Facebook marketing tips is to consider adopting the 70-20-10 approach. You publish original material 70% of your time. You can share existing content that's relevant to your audience interest 20% of the time, and then you can create promotional content 10% of the time. Number 2, update your business page template. It's no longer enough to create a business account and start posting. You will need to properly optimize it. Number 3, create more video content, but remember to keep it short. Number 4, include the Facebook Messenger in your strategy. It has a lot to offer, especially when combined with chatbot technology. It has an incredibly powerful feature, and it is often underutilized by businesses. Number 5, take advantage of the new augmented reality tools. As for advertisers, Facebook has recently implemented AR tools in the newsfeed's ads. Users can now try on wearable products such as glasses, makeup within the ads in their newsfeeds. They can do this without having to launch a separate application.